Good day, everyone. Welcome to Maths with Gustin. I am Gustin Mapala. Today, let's have a look at factorizing trinomials for grade 10 examples. If you have not watched a lesson on factorizing trinomials, please make sure that you watch that video before you can come through to the example so that you can be able to understand what is going on. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel as we'll continue dishing out more amazing and exam examples, and make sure that you understand. We'll try to simplify and making these things happen as simple as possible. Right. Today's example, let's have a look at x squared plus x minus 20. Okay. So with trinomials, you need to have double brackets. Okay. You must have double bracket. Here you are going to have x. Here you are going to have x. So guys, please, two factors, when you multiply them, listen to me very carefully. Two numbers, when you multiply them together, they give you 20. And when you add them together or subtract them together, they must give you positive 1. What are those two factors? You've got 2 times 1. Okay? And then you're going to have 10 times 2 will give you 20 as well. You're going to have 5 times 4. Out of these factors, this will give you 20. Yes, correct. And then this will give you 20. Yes, correct. This will give you 20. But when you add and subtract them, you must get positive 1, which is the middle term here. So between these factors, trust me, guys, if you can master this, you will have mastered mathematics for grade 10, 11, 12. You will never struggle. This is the heart core of the mathematics, factorizing trinomial, because when you solve for x, you need to factorize. When you do trigonometry identities, you need to factorize. I can think of many. When you do functions, you need to factorize. When you do straight lines, you need to factorize. There's a lot of them. When you solve for x in trigonometry, you need to factorize. So guys, please make sure that you master. Watch these videos, as many of them as possible. We'll also try to dish as many examples as possible. Please make sure that if you need more, leave in the comment section, and please reach on us on the emails and also via WhatsApp so that we can be able to assist you one-on-one. Okay, so now this part, when you add them together, it doesn't give you 1. So definitely this is not the one we're going to use. When you add or subtract 10 from 2, it doesn't give you 1 either. So this is definitely not a factor. But when you add or subtract, okay, in this case, you need to subtract. When you subtract these 2, you can get a positive 1, right? Because if you say 5 minus 4, you should get 1. Okay, so now here you can come here and put these factors anywhere you like, 5 and 4. Now you need to decide on the sign. Okay, I always say this to my learners. As long as here there's no number, okay, there's no coefficient on the x squared, there's no constant, there's no number, the middle term, it's always, the sign of the middle term is always determined by the bigger number. So between 4 and 5, which one is the bigger number? It's 5. Therefore, we'll have put a positive here, minus 4 there. Okay, and how would you know that you're correct? This is how you would know that you're correct, right? We call this the monkey face. I've seen some teachers like calling it the monkey face. Yeah, this is how you would check. The monkey face is checking the middle term. Okay, to go back here, when you do binomial, x times x will give you x squared. You got this term correct. And then positive 5 times negative 4 will give you negative 20, correct? Okay, now you need to confirm if this, you will get positive 1, which is the middle term. Okay, therefore you would say, you would come here and say x times negative 4 will give you negative 4x. And then here, there's the monkey face, the monkey smiling. Okay, plus 5x. This would give you positive x, which is this one here. Therefore, you would have checked your answer. You know your answer is correct. Therefore, it means our solution is x plus 5, and therefore x minus 4. Okay, I am Gustin Mapala. We're busy with trinomial grade 10 examples, factorizing. Very critical chapter or concept in mathematics for grade 10, 11, and 12. So please make sure that you stay tuned, you subscribe to this channel, because we're going to give you more examples on trinomials. I am Gastin Mapala. See you on the next upload.